All right, what's up? Here we go. 2018 Leaf football jersey, one box break number 60. O'Daniel with the Cardinals. Curtis with the Falcons. Eric B with the Ravens. Eric O, Cowboys and Colts. Matthew, Bears. Brent, Panthers. Henry, Browns. Joseph, Bengals. Kevin D, Bills, Chiefs, Chargers. Robert G, Redskins. Steven, Broncos. Brad, Lions. Evan, Packers. Bradley, Rams and Vikings. James D, Jaguars and Bucks. Bo, the Texans. Aaron C, the Titans. Richard H, the Dolphins. Steve with the Giants. Don with the Seahawks. Noe with the Saints. James S with the Eagles. And Matinee with the Patriots, Jets, Raiders, Steelers, and 49ers. All right. Good luck, everybody. Appreciate you guys filling this one up. Much appreciated. Thanks for getting those payments in quick so we didn't have to wait. This would help if I turned the box around the right way. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Tonight's jersey goes to the Vikings. Ron Yari. Hall of Fame 01. Ron Yari, Hall of Fame 01 for the Vikings. That is Bradley B. Congratulations, sir. I'll get this out in the mail for you tomorrow. I'll be back live for the baseball break, guys, in about 10 minutes. See you then.